Hey traders, let's take a look at a trade that we took on Bitcoin. So I took some trade here on Bitcoin and it didn't work really well. I'm quite tired to explain, so I'll get to the main point. The main point is, you should look at the context, okay? High time frame is bullish, okay? So you should only go for buys, okay? Price came up, came down. You can see this as a very sharp turn. Retest, should we go for sells here? Actually no, because buyers bullish, okay? They're doing the retest. We should expect price to hit all the way down, okay? Yeah, so price came down maybe because of this one hour bearish OB, okay? And when it came up, it didn't create any bullishness, okay? But on the low time frame, I guess technically there are bullishness, right? There are bullish footprints being created, like this 5-minute bullish, 5 gap, this one also. Yeah, so on low time frame, it's creating bullishness, right? Yeah. So even though during the retest, right, even on the 5 minutes, you can see that during the retest, we are creating bearishness, but all the blocks are holding, right? Yeah. So in this case, the bullish order block on the 30 minute is still holding. Okay, so I guess we really have to follow high time frame context. So using that context, right, we are not using this very sharp turn, okay? So what now? You can see that this week is a mitigation of the 1 hour bearish OB already, okay? So maybe let's say when there's a sweep and then there's a retest, we can look for, okay, during the retest, price should not retest to the extent that it breaks the new demand zone, okay? So where's the demand zone? You can treat this as the breaker block, I guess. Yeah, so this is the breaker block. Yeah, so main thing I guess is after seeing this price action and then the retest, right, we should just wait out to see what happens. Does price hit down or hit up? So in this case, it hits up and sweeps this, which is kind of good because it's a complete mitigation of the 1 hour bearish OB. Okay, so this firstly, bearish sharp turn isn't favorable for us because we're looking for buys. Then we wait out. Then indeed it gets mitigated. Right? This bearish sharp turn scenario gets mitigated. We get a complete mitigation of the 1 hour bearish OB. Go to the 15 minutes. Then we identify this breaker block and then this new supply zone, which we definitely cannot break past. Right, this part. Okay. So we definitely cannot break past in the supply zone. So this supply zone shouldn't be broken past. When there's a retest, 5 minutes. Okay, retest, there's bearishness. Okay, then now you can see that on the low time frame, on the 15 doesn't present us with anything. Okay, see when price sweep and dumps to the when price sweeps and dumps, right, you definitely dump and create bearishness, but only to the extent of this new demand zone. If the demand zone breaks, then we are truly going bearish. Okay, but you see the overlap of the breaker block and 15-minute bullish OB. So this area is a strong level of support. Okay, so we should wait for a creation of a bullish sharp turn. Okay, bearish, bullish. Break above, then I guess you retest. It doesn't matter as long as our SL is below. SL below here. Yeah. So just in case price actually comes down to sweep here, right? Which it didn't. I don't know why the hell it just comes here. Anyways, yeah. Then you can target price to hit all the way up. So as you can see, it's shot all the way up. So yeah, SL cannot be conservative. You have to be smart about your SL placing. Okay, can't always be tight, right? So we see pressure shot all the way up. Yeah. So once there's a complete mitigation, right, price can do whatever it wants already. So as you can see, it's just free flow. From here, there's literally no resistance. Right, it's just a liquidity void. Price just shot all the way up. Yeah. So probably hit upwards here. But yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's the lesson.